In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Zendesk chat widgets. We'll walk through everything inside the Zendesk Admin Center so you can make your web widget match your brand and work perfectly for your customers. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard. On the left-hand panel, look for the rocket icon. This opens the Zendesk Admin Center, which is where all your configuration settings live. Once you're in the Admin Center, look again at the left side and find the section called Channels. Click it to expand the menu, then under the messaging and social area, select messaging. This is where you'll see a list of your messaging channels, including your web widget. Next, click on your web widget to open its settings. When the widget configuration page loads, look for the style accordion. Click it to expand. On the right-hand side, you should see a live preview of your widget, which updates as you make changes. This preview is really helpful, so keep an eye on it as you customize. Start with the frame position. You can choose whether the widget appears in the bottom left or bottom right corner of your website. Then adjust the bottom and right spacing to fine-tune exactly how far from the edges the widget sits. If you want the same layout on mobile devices, you can enable the option to use the same position for mobile. If mobile needs a different layout, simply disable that and configure it separately. You can also adjust the border radius slider, moving from straight corners to more curved ones, depending on your design style. After that, pick your colors. Set your primary color, your message color, and your action color so the widget fits your brand palette. At this stage, you can upload your logo, update the title that appears at the top of the chat widget, and optionally add a short description to give customers context about the chat. There are a few important behavior settings as well. You can turn on or off the ability for customers to upload attachments, and you can enable or disable notification sounds for new messages, depending on how subtle or attention-grabbing you want the experience to be. For the launcher, choose the shape that appears on your site before the chat is opened. You can go with a square, a circle, or a custom launcher image. You can optionally add text next to the launcher and choose whether that launcher text should show on mobile browsers. Once you're happy with all your changes, scroll to the bottom right and click Save. This step is essential. If you don't save, none of your customizations will go live. After saving, your Zendesk chat widget is ready with its new look and behavior.